Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the device and access level because the method depends on root versus non-root. Once done, back up your data and enable developer options. Make sure USB debugging is on so you can run commands. Next, install ADB on your computer or the recommended system tool for your platform and pair the device. These steps let you send the first commands to the system. Do that now before making any UI changes, so you can revert if needed. You will now perform the middle technical steps to remove the Home button. For non-root devices, enable immersive mode via ADB temporary commands and test third-party apps to hide the nav bar. This shows the effect without permanent edits. For rooted devices, pull the system UI APK, modify the layout resources that contain the Home button, then repackage and push with correct permissions. Once pushed, clear caches and restart system UI. Make sure to test each change before moving to permanent replacement. You finish by making the changes permanent and verifying stability. Reboot the device, check every app interaction, and confirm the Home action is gone or remapped. If you used root edits, set correct SE Linux contexts and file permissions. If non-root, lock the app or sticky flags to persist after reboot. If something goes wrong, immediately boot to safe mode or use ADB to push the original APK from your backup. That single troubleshooting tip, restore.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.